What's up guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to draw the human proportions. The measurement of a fully grown adult is 8 heads. There are other body proportions, but we'll stick to adults first. Let's take this line as the height of the human figure. The center of the line will be the crotch, the bottom will be the foot, and the top will be the head. Halfway between the crotch and the foot will be the knee. The center of the crotch and the head will be the pectoral muscles. Halfway between the pec muscles and the head will be the chin. The center of the crotch and the pec will be the navel. Halfway between the crotch and the knee will be the center of the femur bone, and halfway between the knee and the foot will be the shin. When you add everything, it makes it an 8-head figure. You can use these measurements for most character designs. Now to continue from where we stopped. Halfway between the pectoral muscle and the chin is the clavicle. The shoulder hangs off on the side so that there is space for the arm. Halfway between the clavicle and the chin is the top of the rib cage. The elbow, by the way, is slightly above the navel, and the pelvis is slightly below the navel. The ball joint of the hip is slightly above the crotch. Now that we are done with the front view, I'm going to show you how the side view looks like. So the distance of the clavicle is half of the jaw. The neck is always leaning towards the head, and the shoulder joint is on the right side of the gravity line to give space for the pectoral muscles. The rib cage is slightly ahead of the skull on both sides. The curve of the rib is on the left side of the gravity line, and the hip joint is on the left side of the gravity line for balance. Also, the skull is 2/3 of the head, and the jaw is the remaining 1/3 of the head. You can use this to draw a human figure with the correct proportions. That's it.